Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 with this update, that is KB5011493. So if you are unable to install this update or this update, that is KB4023057. Now this two update has been released today. Now if you are unable to update it, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to system, scroll down. Here you can see troubleshoot option, click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters. Now find Windows update. Here you can see Windows update, and then click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set the startup type as automatic. Then click on apply. Now click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now once done, now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, now click on restart the service once again. Now try to update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. This is Microsoft Update Catalog, and enter the name of the update over here. So for example, this is just an example, whichever update is failing. So for me, this update was failing, and here you can see the error message. So write down the name of the update over here. That is, in my case, it's KB5011493. Click on search. Now my system type is x64 based system. For me, it's Windows 11 x64 based system. And then click on download over here. Now this will open a new window. Now click on this hyperlink. Now if nothing happens, that means you're using Google Chrome. So make a right click on hyperlink and then click on save link as, and you can save it to desktop and then click on save. Now on the bottom, click on this up arrow and then click on keep. This will download the file. Now once the download is complete, double click on it and then install the update. Now after the installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart, once the update is installed, go to desktop and you can delete this update from the desktop. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link. It will again take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and then click on accept and install. Now if Windows 11 installation assistant is not opening, in that case, go to the download location. So open File Explorer, go to downloads, make a right click on Windows 11 installation assistant and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list and then click on apply. OK, then make a double click and that should open Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on accept and install and then restart your computer. Your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the command till here and then open Notepad. So type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad. Paste all the command over here. Go to File, then click on Save As and name this file as wufix.bat. And for save as type, select all files. I will save it to desktop. Then click on save. Now close this window. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file. Make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now, the scan will take some time because there are a couple of scans. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now, once that is done, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now, the last step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to install these two updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.